Bitch. Okay, so I don't get McDonald's all the time. I just got this because Tim Hortons delivery fee was like $6. I'm like, bitch, no. So McDonald's delivery fee was like $2. But this is the vanilla chai frap. I don't know what the fuck it is, but that's the shit. Okay, so you already know we got that hotcakes and sausage. Got that syrup, hotcake syrup. We got that butter. Still warm. I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks in a row. Gotta get it buttery, moist. I don't know, man. I'm trying to make puns to make funny edits, but fucking high, okay? I moved. That's why I haven't been uploading so much. I've been busy. Yeah, so I've just been dealing with moving and organizing my stuff and getting everything back in order and setting myself up in the new area. And, you know, I've been trying to see people, spend time with people because it's been so long since I've been here because I was in Trinidad, as y'all already know. But yeah, I don't know. I didn't want to stress myself. I didn't want to stress myself with editing and everything, but I did film a lot during the week that I didn't post just so I would have content to show you what I did. Now I'm gonna cut this bitch up because... Okay, so let's see. What was last happening with y'all that y'all know of? Oh, what was last happening with me that y'all know of, at least? My friends and I are making a podcast. Keep your eye out for that. I've been loafing on editing everything though, because I edit it all. And I've been loafing because I'm busy. I'm trying to chill, you know? That is so good. Yeah. I've been just chatting with friends and family, moving in, balling up, all that. I'm finally getting more settled down in the new place now that, you know, like, I have everything. I'm actually having time to, like, sit down by myself and watch Netflix and chill and not have to unpack. I'm, like, actually looking for things to do, so I can edit and film. So, you know? But yeah, I don't know, I hate small talk. That's what I'll talk about. I hate small talk. Like, bro. And someone's like, I try to small talk just because I feel bad sometimes. But a lot of the time, it's so fucking annoying. It's literally just like, hi, how are you? That's nice. What are you doing? Like, and you're like, and it's just not going anywhere. You know what I mean? Like, it's literally just not going anywhere. You'll just, like, talk to talk. Like, bruh, if you're willing to talk, let's meet up, let's hang out. I know it's COVID, but, like, social distance, I don't know. Like, if you're gonna talk to me, like, make plans with me. Let's hang out. Let's, like, be productive. Let's do stuff. Like, I fucking hate small talk. I don't like just sitting there and talking nonsense for no reason. It's annoying. I know it might seem bitchy, but, like, it's so annoying. I dead ass rather sit there in silence with you on video chat than try to text and have a little bit of small talk. That'll let it, like, go nowhere. Like, at least on video you can feel the awkward vibes and be like, okay, well, I'm gonna go now. You know what I mean? Like, and text, you can't even perceive their mood or what they mean by things. Like, you get in trouble and shit. Where sometimes you give people shit because you think they're giving you shit. Like, ugh. Bullshit. Bullshit. Oh. I got an MRI. I got an MRI in the hospital. And I'll show clips here. Yup. Wheels of a real G. Called a real G-Wagon. The G-Dragon. I got my results back. And I have MTS, which is basically scarring on your temporal lobes. They don't know how. They're not too sure of the cause. But it causes seizures. And so it's like epileptic in a sense. So I have a follow-up in May. We're gonna see where that goes. But yeah. All I've noticed so far is that the CBD helps. Like when I smoke before I shower, I won't have a seizure. And most times that I don't smoke and I shower, I have a seizure. It's not fun. It's like even the mornings that I feel perfectly fine, like I won't feel down or drained or anything, like I won't be going into a seizure, I'll go to shower, and then in the middle of the shower, I'll feel like crap. And then I'll start whatever, and then I'll wake up on the bathroom floor, like bathtub floor, and I'm like, okay, chill. So I just honestly smoke when I wake up, just to be on the safe side. I'm over this right now. Like, yo, you know, McDonald's, like, I'm over it, but not gonna lie, I have been getting it for, like, the past couple of days, whatever. Chill, not the past couple of days, but I got it this week, like, twice or something. And it is not what it used to be at all. McDonald's used to be like, bro, do you remember the Happy Meals? Don't even come at me. The little onions with the ketchup and the cheese with like the patty that wasn't as like thin as that sausage. Like now they make the patty so small and so shit. Like it's just disappointing as fuck. But honestly, like taking how like it's not even like children based anymore. Like yeah, they have Happy Meals and stuff, and like play places are going out of like just going out of style completely. I get it, because, like, it is pretty gross in there. Kids are pretty fucking gross, and, like, it's hard to clean that shit, but there used to be, like, video games for kids, like, small video games on a small TV, and, like, slides and trampolines and, like, ball pits in McDonald's. Like, it was children-based, like, they were doing it proper, it was nice. Now it's just, like, another restaurant, another high-maintenance, like, fast food chain restaurant that is just, like, for adults now. Everything's about the Big Mac, about this, about that. Don't you remember the commercials that were all about, like, the girl with the mask and the purple guy? I don't remember the names, but you know what I mean? Shit used to be good. Shit used to be real good. But whatever. Whatever. We will deal. We will deal. I am going to go edit this video for y'all. And I'll see you again sometime this week, since we had that video coming. Bye.